In the dynamic spectrum of human roles, the archetypes of advisor, coach, and guide illuminate the path of trustworthiness, each anchored in the virtue of accountability and fairness. These are not merely roles, but missions embodied by those committed to the principle of truth in action, champions of authentic communication and moral clarity. Their need is to set people free through supporting others with equitable guidance to achieve their goals in a responsible, congruent, fair, and just approach. They seek to create trust and fairness for others in order to set them free from fear, guilt, and shame so that they can grow. These individuals naturally attract others who seek guidance and assurance in times of moral quandaries, offering a stable refuge built on genuine trust. Professionally, these archetypes are the bedrock upon which institutions build their trust. Advisors ensure the gears of industry turn smoothly with their judicious counsel. They serve as the navigators in the intricate corridors of business and finance, offering insights that ensure actions are taken without doubt. Their advice, steeped in authenticity, provides a stable foundation from which organizations can operate with unwavering confidence. Socially, the archetype of the coach emerges as a beacon of trustworthiness, guiding individuals through the challenges of personal and professional growth. With a deep understanding of human dynamics, coaches foster environments where transparency and accountability are not imposed but embraced. They cultivate relationships that thrive, teaching that at the heart of every successful team or partnership is the unbreakable bond of mutual trust and a safety in discretion and confidentiality. Spiritually, the guide provides a sanctuary for the soul's deepest inquiries, offering a space free from guilt or judgment. They encourage introspection, helping individuals reflect on their own truths and fostering a journey inward. Through thoughtful questioning, guides assist others in uncovering personal insights that lead to greater self-awareness and alignment with one's life's purpose. Yet, the journey of embodying trustworthiness is complex, marked by challenges that test the resolve of advisors, coaches, and guides alike. In their under-evolved state, they may place trust in those who do not respect it, leading to personal and professional setbacks. This misplaced trust can result in disillusionment and high expectations that are rarely met, leaving them judging others harshly or sharing truths bluntly, triggering rather than inspiring those who seek their advice. When overutilized, these archetypes risk assuming the burdens of others, overshadowing the truths they strive to uphold. They may take on responsibilities that are not theirs to carry, lacking boundaries, and becoming a tool for others to offload their own duties. This can lead to burnout and the erosion of their own sense of purpose. In their thriving state, these custodians of trust demonstrate the profound impact of living a life aligned with accountability and fairness. Their existence enriches communities, shapes ethical business practices, and fosters spiritual growth. Through their unwavering commitment to truth and justice, they inspire a legacy of trust that transcends their immediate influence, weaving a stronger social fabric for future generations. As the narrative of humanity unfolds, the stories of the advisor, coach, and guide are etched deeply into the chapters of societal evolution, reminding us that trustworthiness is not merely a trait, but a transformative force, capable of leading humanity towards a more honest and connected existence.